KAIZEN is a Japanese word which seeks the continuous growth and high quality of life for the nation through improvement of overall productivity and the quality of people's daily activity. This program describes the details of KAIZEN activities, together with the benefits for the national economy and the people's lives. Before examining KAIZEN methods, let's first take a look at the reasons why Japan has been able to raise its productivity to its current level. After the devastation in the Second World War, the industries of Japan have remarkably developed, and Japan has become advanced in economy. There are a number of reasons for this. One of the reasons is that Japanese companies strive to promote productive campaigns which try to attain the most productivity while consuming less resources. This activity is represented by Toyota production system, in which efficient manufacturing of automobile is achieved. In 2008, JICA started the KAIZEN program as a national program with introducing QCC activities to Zambia. Reasons why Zambia requested JICA to implement KAIZEN projects in Zambia.
The Zambian government requested for the need for KAIZEN because, as far as we are concerned, we understand that KAIZEN as a philosophy, but also as a methodology, has helped both the Japanese government and some of the leading companies such as Toyota to improve the service delivery on a continuous basis.
In 2013, KAIZEN Institute of Zambia, KIZ, a public institution, was created for improving quality and productivity of various Zambian organizations through KAIZEN.
KIZ stands for KAIZEN Institute of Zambia. Its mission is to promote quality and productivity through KAIZEN tools, concepts, and philosophies. Our mission is to ensure that this KAIZEN tool is used in the attainment of the national development aspirations of becoming a prosperous, middle-income country by 2030.
In the project, KIZ have implemented KAIZEN activities in model companies. Major problem-solving tools include 5S, layout improvement, and inventory control. As the first example, KIZ implemented 5S training in non-manufacturing companies which deal with medical equipment and specialized systems. This is the previous workspace of a specialized system. Before the KAIZEN, there were some problems in specialized systems, such as the existence of unnecessary files, objects, which led to the deterioration of productivity and quality. In order to improve the situation, specialized systems applied 5S practice with forming and the implementation of quality control circles, QCC activities. 5S is the name of the workspace organization method that uses a list of 5 Japanese words: seiri, seiton, seiso, seiketsu, and shitsuke. In English, sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. Implementing the 5S, specialized systems could improve working environments, eliminating the waste of the office, and visualize various issues at the factory. 5S is the first step of productivity improvement activities. By introducing 5S methods, unnecessary equipment and the waste were eliminated, and the time for searching for tools was shortened. As a result, the degree of the 5S has been progressed as the radar chart shows.
I'm the executive assistant to the managing director. In the KAIZEN team, I'm the team leader in Joran team. KAIZEN has really benefited us in this company. There's an improvement in productivity, improvement in overall work in culture, and more cleaner offices. We have also improved in efficiency.
Secondly, AFIL and KIZ implemented layout improvement for shortening the time of production. EFIL and KIZ team analyzed the current layout of workshops. It has been found that there was waste of time in the current layout, and KIZ and JICA team have tried to improve the layout. As 5S activities were not practiced, KIZ has also implemented 5S. This is after the layout improvement and 5S. It has become easier for workers to transport raw materials from one place to another as the related section comes closer thanks to the layout change. Also, the flow has become cleaner and more space has been created, contributing to safety, reduced time for transportation, tidiness, and motivation of workers.
We started Kaizen activities almost 6 months back. There are lots of changes and advantages because of the Kaizen activity. First and most is the change in mindset of the people. Change in mindset and the attitude of the people towards the work. The second advantage is we had a difficulty or major difficulty in the space plan of the company. Like we had so many machines which is unused. We had to intervene the management to remove the old machineries so that we can create the process. After Kaizen came, they asked us to remove the machineries. We used to keep the raw material almost 200 to 300 kilometers far away from the workshop. It used to take almost 5 to 10 minutes plus 5 people. So as reducing that, we are future plan. We already started building this new raw material stockage area near the workshop to reduce the work time, reduce the man-hour, plus reduce the stress of the people. That is one of the improvement we are going to do because of the Kaizen activities.
Thirdly, with the advice of JICA experts, NAC 2000 started improving the inventory. Before Kaizen, there was no quality control circles, and there wasn't any documents outlining the lead time taken for the service delivery. Thus, first in, first out, FIFO practice was not effectively implemented in the storage. FIFO is important because it reduces order inventories of which values are reduced. Also, having less inventory by just-in-time JIS practice under the Total Production System, TPS, is also important as the stored inventories do not produce value by themselves. Implementing inventory control, NAC 2000 conducted big cleaning as a launching of the Kaizen activities. 5S does not only affect physical tidiness of the workplace, but also changes the mindset of the employees. Teamwork among the employees of NAC 2000 has been nurtured through co-working, and the self-confidence has been improved by seeing cleaned up workspaces. It can be said that letting workers experience most successful experience is important to nurture motivation for Kaizen. The Gantt chart system showing standard versus actual time taken in service delivery was prepared under instruction of KIZ team. In the process of consultation, the actual time has been reduced to the standard time, 30% reduction. Getting rid of the older stokes first and stores newer stokes, or FIFO, eliminates the waste of inventory and contributes to the improved productivity. NAC 2000 is in the process of purchasing the shelves in the warehouse so that FIFO will be practiced and further Kaizen will be implemented.
Kaizen has improved our warehouse space utilization and decreased the waiting time for our clients. Because Kaizen involves every employee's participation at looking for ways to make improvements, we have been able to identify problems at their source. The introduction of 5S, which is the sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain, has improved warehouse organization and has helped to change our mindset on cargo handling. I am confident that Kaizen implementation will continue to help us achieve a higher standard of service on an ongoing basis.
As an organization progresses Kaizen activity, it will be able to utilize more variety of tools for Kaizen, such as systems for just-in-time, JIT, total productive maintenance, TPM, Total Quality Management, TQM, Industrial Engineering, IE, Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, ISO certification, and others. Kaizen results in improved productivity, improved quality, better safety, faster delivery, higher sales, lower costs, reduction of fatigue, reduction of defects, and higher motivation of employees. KIZ provided one-side Kaizen training to 18 pilot organizations in Zambia in 2014. To nurture a leading person of Kaizen, a Kaizen coordinator in each organization. KIZ held the Kaizen Coordinator Seminar for 2 days in August 2014. In this seminar, theoretical aspects of Kaizen as well as practical problem-solving methods were taught to the representatives from each organization. KIZ strives to increase the number of Kaizen practitioners so that it can be a national movement throughout Zambia in the future. Achievements and results of Kaizen were presented in the Kaizen Forum. KIZ trained QCC groups in the model companies so that they can present their achievements with other groups. Specialized System presented 5S activities, while AFIL presented layout improvement activities, and NAC 2000 presented storage control activities.
My name is Shigeki Tsuchiya. I am JICA expert. I think the most important factor for continuous improvement is the passion of managers. There are managers who have consciousness to change management style and a strong desire for implementation of quality and productivity improvement activities. To ensure the progress, they supported the project team by facilitating the creation of the quality control circle and providing necessary tools and devices and also necessary time.
Kaizen would like Kaizen to be a way of life for ZESCO employees, that it will help us to improve the way we do things. It will help us to improve our work areas. And in the end, as we improve our work areas in cleanness, the way we sort out our work areas, the way our stores are arranged, it will result into more efficiency and more safety for our people, because we want our people to be safe as they come home and they go back and they work in a clean environment. There's nothing as work, a motivated worker who would work in a clean environment. It brings more motivation for them.
We are authorized distributors for Philips Medical Systems, and we deal with a wide range of office automation equipment today. And through the KAIZEN Institute of Zambia and JICA, we introduced this KAIZEN program starting June this year. And in fact, the program has been very successful. Various developments that were happening. And the culture was a bit, I must say, outdated. But after introduction of this KAIZEN activities, people started understanding that teamwork will provide more synergy to operations.
We have recently undertaken KAIZEN program implementation in our company. Thanks to the help and encouragement of KAIZEN Institute of Zambia and its Japanese experts. I would mention my friend Mr. Ito and his associates consultants who are working very hard on improvement in productivity of this company.
I am currently the manager for Kaizen consulting programs at the KAIZEN Institute of Zambia. And I would just like to mention that the merits of implementing Kaizen in the workplace are quite vast, but it opens us up to thinking more broadly about the way we do business. So this allows us actually to do things differently from the way we've always done them. And also the involvement of other staff in quality control circles allows top management to have access to the brain power of the workers in the institutions, and this helps to find solutions, I think, more quickly than we have always thought before.
There is never an end of productivity and quality improvement. Like a Zambian eagle, which is not afraid of change.